How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and today, as part of our smart devices videos, today we got this cool plug that will measure the wattage, the amps, and it will give you an average in the whole entire year or month as you're using it. Now, to get more information on this particular plug, or if you guys want to turn one of this, always remember I will leave that information right below this video. The link is straight to Amazon page. Right, so now let's configure this for the first time, and this is pretty simple. When you plug this, the first thing you need to pay attention is that blue light there. Now you see it's blinking fast. Let's reset it first. Let's imagine we need to reset it. So if I press here, it comes on like any other plug, and turn it off and turn it on. But what I'm going to do, I want to reset this. So I'm going to press here and let it press for like 10 seconds. We wait. And already got reset. See, it went and turned off. And now, blinks is slow. Now, when it blinks is slow, there's two things there. It means you need to, something happened to your network, all right? So that's one, keep it away. That it's not connection to the plug. When it blinking fast, it's required to be synced for the first time. So at that point, if that happened, I'm going to press it again, and now I'm going to reset it. It's like delete the configuration of this thing. So it went off, nothing happened, and now blink fast. Now your next step, you need to grab this. By the way, the manual show you how to use it, but you don't have to. I will give you the information right now. You need to go either your iOS phone, your Apple phone, or Android phone. You're going to scan that QR code. You scan it right over here. All right. When you scan it, you're going to be downloading totally free a Smart Live. Now, then, when you have a Smart Live, you can go to Alexa and activate the Smart Skill for a Smart Live. You can go into Google Home and do the same thing and activate it through there. And while you do it there, automatically everybody will find each other. You don't have to do anything. You do it now and it's all done. So you start the application, you need to create a small account if you never did. Now, when you create an account, in my case, as you see, I have many devices here. Many. I control whole entire house, and the whole studio is being controlled. Coffee makers, lasers, all kind of things are being controlled here. So now, let's configure this for the first time. We're going to click plus. What we have? Well, we have a socket. So we click socket. Now it's blinking. It asks me make sure it's blinking. That's blink. Now make sure you set this to 2.4 network. Now 5 gigahertz. Turn off your data, and if you have a VPN connected, turn off your VPN. So that can give you a problem. It kind of it will not find the network. So make sure you turn off the VPN at least for the first time. When you do that, then turn everything on. You can turn the data on. You can put the 5 gigahertz back again. So we click continue. That password I did there, it's the same password you got in your router. Make sure you check your router, because some cable company tends to put two different passwords for 2.4 and 5. And maybe that can create a problem. Now, one give it away. See, you already start blinking, or already, that means it's already detected. All right? See?
I found Smart X10, and you can control it by saying, turn on Smart X10.
So Smart X10, I find it already. So a Smart X10. We can change the name. We can call it coffee maker. I don't know. The Christmas light. Whatever we want. We leave it that way. I'm going to put this in my bedroom. And I click done. And now we got a plug. Everything looks dark because it's not on. If I press here, it's on. Now, I'm going to put a light bulb right there. You guys can see that. And it's on. See? Turn it off. And that's simple. Now I can go to Alexa. Alexa, turn on a Smart X10. So before it was giving me a problem because it seems I have another device with exactly the same name. Alexa, turn off X11. Yeah, so you have to make sure, you know, the names are different, and now they start getting confused. Okay, Google, turn on X11. That's it. So in reality, I didn't do anything, which is a problem with the name I have. But I didn't touch anything. Alexa didn't touch anything on Google. It did it automatically. So let's turn it off. Oh no, let me leave it on because I got to show you here. So now, so we got power, right? You can turn the power on and off. Timer, we can set the timer now. You can do that with other ones. All right, we can set a countdown. Every plugin tends to do different application. All right, not all look the same. All right, countdown. But this is the cool thing here. Now, electric. Now, if we see here, I see it's using 321 milliamps. The current wattage is 38.9. I like that little light bulb though. Current voltage is 120 volt, 0.8 in total kilowatt per hour. Well, right now, which started this. And here it tells me the average. So if I leave that in, it will let me know the average on that particular plug every time I'm using it. And they say, how do you know that is working this? Well, check this out. If I turn this off, look the numbers there. You see that the current amp went to 0. Right? And the voltage is 121.5. Let's turn it on. And it should give me the measurement in a second. Okay, it takes about maybe about a minute to update it. So 321, 38.2, 121.3 the voltage. That's pretty cool in total kilowatt per hour. So this is 0 because I just started this. So it's a little surprise on this plug. I was not aware of that. That's kind of cool if you guys want to run some type of test. If you're trying a light bulb or something, it's okay. How much this thing consumes? What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually plug it in and see. I'm going to put in some of my devices and see how much power is using, so I can go in application and manually this thing up. That's real nice. So definitely, guys, if you're looking for a plug that just look like a regular smart plug, but you want to use it for check your wattage, normally we have to use, remember those little devices with the biggest screen where you can calculate everything. You got to punch numbers and it's kind of big. But if you're going to use something that has no more than 15 amps, definitely this will do it for you. So for more information, once again, I'll check the link below, and I'll see you next time with another cool smart device in the channel. Thank you. Bye.